Don't quit the day job. Now, this sounds like extremely negative advice from somebody who doesn't want you to succeed when starting a business, but it's actually quite sound, and I want to tell you why. This is a question from a viewer. I asked people what the biggest blocks were in starting a business, and Harbinger says, I think making the job from a secure job to the unknown. I would generally recommend that if you are starting your very first business and you're currently in a 9 to 5 job, you maintain that job at least initially. What you need to be doing on the side of your job is coming up with business ideas, validating those ideas, seeing if people are interested in what you have to sell, and then starting to generate your first revenues. Once you've done this, you can then start to think about dropping your 9 to 5 down to part-time, or perhaps replacing it with freelance work whilst building your business on the side. I do not recommend you immediately go cold turkey, quit the 9 to 5 and start a business because there are too many risks involved there. And you are building a business from a place of scarcity where you now need to make up that money that you've lost in order to basically live. This is doubled if you have dependents like kids, for example, or you have a mortgage to pay. So I generally recommend instead building from a place of abundance where you already have an income in place, but you're going to start to build a side income on the side. Yes, this is going to require more time, but that's something you can do.